Okay.
Breaking news. 2 minutes now. The volcano, Elias volcano is going to erupt.
Okay, then do it, Elias. Put the ingredients. I'm taking video, honey.
Did we put the baking powder?
Hold on.
Yes, we did already.
All right, get Edward out of the way. He's gonna get all dirty.
Here, Edward, come watch.
Okay, you ready, Eli?
Yeah.
Ready to pour it in there?
Yeah.
All right, then you got.
Wow, it's erupted! Whoa!
Look
Volcano,
at
snow
that.
volcano is erupting.
Whoa. That was quite an eruption, huh?
The volcano got stuck.
Oh no, get out of the way! The lava's gonna burn you!
Now the once white volcano is red.
No, yeah.
Well, that was